Hello, welcome Simon Shield Cars. Today we're going to show you a lovely Ford Focus that we've taken in. So this is a 2015 on a 65 plate. It's the Focus 2 litre turbo petrol ST-2, finished in race red, 67,900 miles from new, just 2 owners from new. 10 services recorded, really well looked after this car, supplied locally, owned locally and in lovely condition. So let's have a look around. Supplied last time round by Claydon Autos, Ford specialist nearby to us, originally supplied by Ipswich Ford, John Grayson Ipswich Ford. Lovely bright day, you can see the car well here. Okay, we've got Goodyear tyres all round on this car. These lovely, I think they're 18-inch wheels we've got there. Yes, 18-inch alloy wheels on there. They're not quite bright silver, they're off silver, they're a slightly darker silver. Down the side here, all looking good. Round to the back here, we've got rear parking sensors, a lovely ST exhaust on here, chrome exhaust, which is really nice. Into the rear, lovely and clean and tidy in here. Space saver, spare wheel, tools, etc., all in place. Lovely spoiler on the back here as well, the ST spoiler. Around to this side, again all in lovely condition. And here's something really unusual on this car, sunroof. We've got the factory fitted tilt and slide glass tinted roof. Very unusual extra to find in one of these. Lovely to have. Let's show you inside. Okay, full set of electric mirrors and windows, and we've also got electric folding mirrors with this car as well. Lovely ST-2 kick plates here, and have a look at the seats, absolutely fabulous. Recaro seats, half leather in black and red, look absolutely fantastic on this car. Okay, lovely leather bound steering wheel here with the ST logo at the bottom there. Got controls here for the radio and computer setup. Across the middle, have a look at these dials up here. We've got the turbo boost, we've got oil pressure and temperature gauge up there, oil temperature gauge. Down to the middle, so this has got the standard, these have Sync 2, this one's actually been upgraded to the Ford Sync 3 infotainment system, so it's more up to date than the standard one would have been. Okay, just show you on the screen here, we have got Apple CarPlay in here as well. We've got navigation, we've got all the usual things in there that you would expect. Including DAB radio. And moving down, we've got digital climate control. We've got the 6-speed manual gearbox. Armrest in the middle there. And we've got a USB connection down there. And inside the armrest here, we've got another power socket and also another USB connection. Okay, to show you the sunroof here, we've got the blind here so you can have the light in or not, then switch up here, we can have it slid back or tilted. So lovely option to have in this car, very unusual. Just want to show you in the back here as well, we've got these lovely red and black seats here, part leather, part cloth. Look absolutely amazing with the red outside of the car, really suits this. Okay, let's show you under the bonnet here. So this is the 2 litre turbocharged petrol engine, so loads of power with this. To my knowledge, this car's not been mapped. Previous owner is somebody I know and I don't disbelieve him at all. The only differences under here are we've got the different air filter, and we've got the Mountune air intake pipe here as well. So apart from that, no adaptions on this car at all. And if you don't want these parts on here, we do have the original parts from the previous owner as well. Okay, we'll just run through that again for you. 2015 on a 65 plate. It's the Ford Focus 2 litre ST2 5-door, finished in race red, 67,900 miles from new. 10 services recorded, all important sunroof in the car there as well. Great looking car, this drives really well. Great tech in the car as well, really well maintained. For more more information, please give me a call. It's Simon Shield Cars Limited, Ipswich. It's 07702 410 254, or alternatively, please do hop on the website. All the pictures are on there, still pictures of the service history. It's all there, and that's simonshieldcars.co.uk. Thank you for watching.